Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be showing you how to make sliced bread from your very own kitchen. Sounds interesting? Then please keep watching. So to make sliced bread, you need basic bread ingredients. You're going to need some butter, some warm milk. If you follow my channel, you will know I always use warm milk for my bread. And then of course some all-purpose flour, some salt, sugar, as much as you like really, some yeast, and then of course one egg. Now to make sliced bread, you need a loaf pan. The loaf pan has to have a cover. This is what makes it different from your regular bread because you bake the bread covered in this pan. It is not open. As such, the bread is able to come out as one loaf that you can slice into your sliced bread. So this pan is so important. You can get it in different sizes, like bigger loaves or just this medium loaf size, whichever one that you want. So we're going to get straight into mixing all of our bread ingredients together and making our dough. So first off, we pour our warm milk into a bowl, and to that we're going to add some salt, some sugar, and then of course some dry active yeast. We're going to mix this together and allow it to brew for 5 minutes so that the yeast is active before we add the rest of our ingredients. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button right now and be a part of this family so you never miss my videos. Make sure to also turn on the notification bell so you always get notified when I post my videos. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, you can see that our yeast has proved and is looking all fruity. We're going to go ahead to add some more sugar, 1 egg into that mix, whisk to combine. All the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box, so do well to check that out. Mix until you have properly combined. And then we're going to begin to add in our flour. You add in your flour 1 cup at a time, and I'm going to mix using my hand. I prefer to use my hand when it comes to dough because I just feel like you get a better work with it. But of course, if you have a stand mixer, you can go ahead to do that. So I am mixing in my butter at this point while the dough is still a bit watery, so I can get the butter into every part of this dough. It's a bit messy and watery, but just continue adding flour as you go till you get a soft dough. We don't need a hard dough at all. If your dough is hard, your bread is going to come out very, very hard and rock-like, and you don't want that. See how soft our dough is looking? We're just going to keep adding flour until we can actually knead this dough together. Now I'm going to transfer the soft dough onto a flat surface and just knead by hand till it all comes together and it is soft and smooth. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It takes nothing from you and it helps my channel a whole lot, and it's also a sign of encouragement for me to keep putting out videos here on YouTube. So I'm just going to keep kneading by hand till this dough comes together and is smooth and soft. As you can see, the dough has come together. It's still a bit sticky, but it is not that sticky anymore. You can basically put your hand and it doesn't stick to your hand. We're going to cover that dough for at least an hour until it doubles in size. As you can see, our dough has doubled in size and now it's ready for us to proof it for the next stage. I'm just going to transfer it to a flat surface again. Knead for about 2 minutes just to bring some life back to that, and then we're going to transfer this dough into our bread pan. As you can see, we've placed this dough into our pan and we're just going to cover it with the cover. This is essential, you guys, so that your bread can come out as a loaf. make sure that you use a bread pan that has a cover like this. We're going to cover like this and then allow it to bake in the oven till it is brown, you guys. This should take about 30 minutes or even less depending on your oven. As you can see, our bread loaf is ready. It's looking all nice. Allow this to cool down before you try to bring it out of the pan so you don't burn yourself. I'm taking it out now. And as you can see, we have a beautiful bread loaf. You can actually have it like this if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead to use a serrated knife to slice this up to make our sliced bread, which you can use the slices for toast, for sandwiches, or whatever it is that you usually use sliced bread for. And you guys, this is how easy and simple it is to make sliced bread. While I was actually cutting this bread, it was pretty hot, okay? It was so hot, but I just had to keep cutting it and resisting the urge to actually eat out of it. But you guys, if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, like it, leave me your comments in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.